Hello everyone, in today's video we will see about the propositional logic in artificial intelligence. So what is the propositional logic? Propositional logic is that logic in which it carries only the two values, either it is a true or false. Means it will not carry any meaning between the true and false. So normally what happens that in a simple statement it gives only the one meaning, but whenever we require more than one statement, so for that reason we require propositional logic. So in this video we will see what are the different propositional logic operators and how can we use them in our artificial intelligence. So the first operator in the propositional logic is the conjunction operator, and it is represented by this symbol. Okay, so suppose we have the one statement Mohan is intelligent, and we are representing this statement with the this variable. And with the second statement, we have the another statement known as Sohan is elder. This. So whenever we are putting here P conjunction operator as Mohan is intelligent and Sohan is elder. When P and S both carries true value, then only this statement give the true value. If either is not true, then it will give the false value. Okay, so when it will the true value, when it is this and that one both are true, then it will give the true value. If either of the statement is true and another is false, then it will give the false value. So this statement we will use in our artificial intelligence whenever we are putting this type of symbol in our propositional logic. Now we will see another type of operator. Secondly, we will see about the disjunction operator. Disjunction operator means it is a or operator. So how it will work in our propositional logic, that we will see. Now suppose P variable carries the meaning he is good, and Q variable carries the meaning he is intelligent. So whenever we are putting P disjunction operator Q, he is good or he is intelligent. So how, when it will give the value true and when it will give the value false. So whenever we are putting P disjunction operator Q, that means when both the variable or both the statements are true, then this will give true value. When either of the statement is true, then even it will give the true value. But when both the statement carries false value, only that condition it will give the false value. So this is the disjunction operator that we can use in our artificial intelligence program in this way. So accordingly it will give the meaning to the computer. Now we will see another type of operator, that is the negation operator. Third type of propositional logic operator is the negation operator. Okay, so in what happened in that negation operator means whenever we have one statement with the particular type of meaning, and when we want to negate that meaning, so in that condition we will use the negation operator. So this is the not operator, and it is represented by this symbol. Suppose P variable is carries the meaning I am going here, and if I want to reverse the meaning, or if I want to negate the meaning of the existing statement, just like here I am going, so I will put this symbol here, and I am, then it will give the meaning I am not going. Okay, so this is the negation operator, and with the help of negation operator and or operator you can make any universal statement. Means with the help of this you can make any logic in our artificial intelligence program. Now we will see about the exclusive operator. Just imagine a one condition in which more than one statements are given, and in that all statements only the one statement is true, then whole statement will give true value. And if more than one statement is either true or false, then it will not give true value, it will give the false value. Suppose for example I have taken the example here. Suppose P statement carries Mohan is intelligent, this is assigned to the P variable. Sohan is elder, another statement assigned to Q meaning Q variable. And whenever I am putting here P exclusive Q operator, and that condition, if both the conditions are either true or false, then this statement will give false value. And whenever only one condition of either of the two is true, then only this statement will give the true value. So for that reason it is for their exclusive operator is used. Means exclusive means only exclusively one condition is true, then only it will give the true value. All other conditions it will give the false value. Now fifth one is the implication operator. Implication operator means whenever we require such type of statement in which the first statement becomes the condition and second statement becomes the conclusion, means action. If the condition is true, then statement will be, the second statement will be the executed, otherwise this will not executed. Means condition only true when the condition first is true and statement executed, and if condition is not true, then statement will not execute, and in that case the our statement will be false. So I have taken the example here. Suppose P variable carries meaning I am elected, and second statement carries the meaning I will do lower taxes. Suppose whenever we are putting implication operator here, if this condition is true, then this statement will be executed. In that case, this will carry true value. This implication statement will carry true values. But if this condition is false, statement will not executed, and in that case, this P implication Q carries the false meaning. So this type of statement can be used in our artificial intelligence programming language, just like a Lisp and other programming languages. Now we will see the another last type of operator in the propositional logic. Biconditional operator, that is mean if and only if, means it is represented by this symbol. Suppose we have two statements just like P and Q. It is raining, assigned to P variable. The home team wins, assigned to Q variable. And whenever I am putting here PQ, so it will give true value only when if and only if it is raining, the home team wins. So suppose in that condition it will give the value true whenever if and only if condition occurs. So I hope you understood the propositional logic operators that is used in our artificial intelligence programming language, just like a Lisp and other programming languages. Directly to conclude the meaning, propositional logic gives only the true and false value, just like I told you in the starting of the video. So I hope you like the video, share this video, and for watching more videos like in artificial intelligence, subscribe my channel. In the next video we will see about the predicate logic.